In today's video, we're going to be demonstrating how to install a Max Pal strut onto an SUV liftgate. So if you have an SUV and your liftgate doesn't seem to want to hold up into place like it used to, then you want to replace the struts. And it's a really easy process that anyone can do. So if you lift up your liftgate and it just wants to fall back down again, you want to buy some of these struts. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. But as you can see, the liftgate just wants to fall down. All you have to do is purchase these. You can get them off Amazon. You take off the old set by just pulling them off. Just want to kind of grease the balls it came off of. And all you do is you just snap these things into place. You can see the hole right there. There's a hole on two sides that go into the balls on where the old strut was. And you simply just grease up the balls and then you just snap it into place. And you can see right there, I'm just snapping it into place. It's about a 5-minute job to do both of these struts on any SUV. It's a really easy process. So here's what the strut looks like after it's installed. And now to the other side, all you have to do is just kind of pull it out of that ball right there. Once again, you want to grease up that little ball. And once you grease up the ball right there, you grease the top and the bottom, you just simply just push it in, it snaps right into place. It's a really easy install, and you can see I had to prop up open the lift gate with something. I just used a long ice scraper. That way it holds the gate while you're working into the upright position. And once you've installed both the struts, now you have a fully functional lift gate for your SUV again. So it's a pretty easy process. You can do it in 5 minutes, and I'll provide a link in the description below for the struts I used in this video.